Legend Finance fam. As we step into the new financial year, we all want to make the most of our hard-earned money. Today, we're diving into 5 game-changing money-saving tips that will set you up for success. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just getting started, these tips are for everyone. So grab your notebooks and let's boost that bank balance. 1. Plan ahead and stay sharp. For all of us Aussies, the end of the financial year is a big moment. It's our shared deadline for tax stuff, and once it's behind us, there are no take-backs. We've got to plan ahead and stay sharp. Now when we talk about taxes, it's vital for us to understand the difference between tax avoidance and tax effectiveness. One is off-limits, and the other is the smart legal route. As a community, we need to steer clear of those sketchy tax avoidance tactics. In this digital age, the Australian Tax Office is watching closely. If any of us slip up, they'll catch on. So let's all commit to staying transparent, getting the right advice, and sticking to the straight and narrow. If any of us accidentally step over the line with our finances, it's important to know there are specialized legal firms out there that can help. However, aiming to avoid such situations is crucial, especially considering that legal assistance can come with a hefty price tag. We should focus on doing things correctly while also ensuring we're maximizing our legal claims. The last thing we'd want is an unexpected call from the Australian Tax Office about past dues plus interest. Let's work together as a community to stay informed and proactive. 2. Review your financial status. Many of us tend to overlook key steps around the end of the financial year. One helpful strategy is setting up a money date. For instance, couples might find it beneficial to set aside time every month to review their financial status together. Over a comforting drink and some food, they can discuss their progress and identify areas that need attention. Think of the end of the financial year as the grand money date, a time for everyone to reflect on the past 12 months, see if we're on track, and make any necessary adjustments. It's all about resetting, refocusing, and revising. It's wise for all of us to tackle tasks like tax returns early and stay proactive. Around the end of the financial year, there's a strategy some of us swear by. Aiming for an early tax return, say by the 13th of July, can be a game changer. Everything is fresh, and all those documents are still on the desk, not yet tucked away in some archive box. For those handling businesses or intricate finances, tools like Xero become our best friends. It's like having a personal assistant for our year-round financial check-ins. Now, an interesting twist. Just because the tax return is ready doesn't mean you should rush to lodge it. If there's a refund coming, it's a good idea to get on that. But if you owe the tax office, possibly because of a good business year, holding off for a bit can work in your favor. It's almost like an interest-free loan, and if it's invested right back into the business, it's a win. It's about finding the balance between being smart and staying ahead. 3. Be prepared and organized. Diving into the world of taxation, it's easy to spot common pitfalls that many of us might encounter. This year, especially with the stock market behaving like a seesaw, some of us might find we hold shares valued less than what we paid for them. A strategy some have used is to sell those shares, leverage the loss for a tax deduction this year, and if that stock still holds promise, consider buying it back soon after. It's a way of turning a setback into an advantage. In the community, we all have those stories of shares that haven't quite lived up to expectations. Yet even those shares can be strategic assets come tax time. It's about making even unexpected downturns work in our favor. And one universal truth, keeping tax documents organized is essential. For those diving into property or any big venture, having financial paperwork in order can be the key to unlocking opportunities. Many in the community emphasize the importance of being prepared. So as we navigate these financial waters together, pooling our shared experiences can help guide the way. 4. Build a long-term relationship with your accountant. Navigating through the maze of taxes with the right guidance can make a world of difference for all of us. Over the past 3 decades, the search for the right accountant has been a journey. Out of the countless accountants, only a couple truly stood out. And one golden rule emerged: a reliable accountant always lets you know what you can legitimately claim. So it's wise for all of us to reach out to our accountants, seeking that list of potential claims. Especially in this digital age, it's tempting to jump at those quick-fix tax solutions we see advertised. We've all seen those enticing offers or heard stories from friends who opted for a speedy tax return service. But lasting relationships with trusted professionals prove invaluable in the long run. These experts become cornerstones, ensuring our finances are both optimized and compliant. While accountants might sometimes seem overly cautious, that's their role. They're the balance to our ambitious plans, making sure we stay on the right side of the rules. They're invaluable allies in our financial journey, helping us make informed choices while ensuring compliance. 5. Optimize your tax strategy. Tax strategies are crucial for everyone, especially when considering vehicle-related expenses. For instance, if you've used your car for work-related activities, logging those miles and maintaining a record can lead to significant deductions. Currently, there's a requirement to track your car usage over any 12-week period throughout the year. It's an effort, yes, but keeping an account of personal and business usage can lead to substantial savings. Now, if we talk about property investments, there's another potential goldmine for deductions. For every property investor, a depreciation report on their investment property is a must. Yes, there's a cost involved in getting this report. However, the benefits far outweigh the costs. These professionally prepared reports offer a comprehensive breakdown of all potential claims, ensuring no stone is left unturned. These individual elements might seem minute. Still, when combined, they can have a considerable impact on your tax bill. A piece of advice that always stuck with me from Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the power of leveraging pre-tax dollars. By optimizing our tax strategies, we essentially increase our working capital. That allows us to do more, invest more, and grow more. Let's face it, nobody finds taxes exciting. They can be complex, tedious, and downright frustrating. But the beauty lies in understanding and harnessing its potential. It's all about playing the tax game smartly and getting the right guidance to ensure you're maximizing every possible advantage. Hey there, Legend Finance family. I hope you've had as much fun diving into these money-saving tips as we had sharing them. It's a beautiful thing, when we all come together, sharing our experiences and learning collectively. Each tip might resonate differently with each of you, and that's the beauty of it. Some might be looking at making their first big investments, while others are perhaps setting out to clear debts or save up for something special. We've all got our own unique stories and dreams. Now, if you're just stumbling upon our channel for the first time, or you've been with us but haven't taken the plunge, hit that subscribe button. We've got so much more coming up, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. As we wind down today, we want to leave you with a thought. Every financial year is a fresh slate, a new chapter. With the right tools and mindset, you can write a future you will be proud of. And always remember, no matter where you are in your financial journey, you've got a community right here cheering you on. So go out there, chase those dreams, make smart money moves, and above all, stay legendary.